Today we're going to look at bass, one of the hardest things that most producers struggle with when they're starting out or at an intermediate level or even an advanced level. I know I sometimes struggle with it. Today I'm going to show you some techniques and we're going to basically build up a bass line in this session. And yeah, I'm going to try and get that pro bass line sound. To do that, we'll have to put in a couple of other elements as well. I find that you can't really get that final bass section done unless you've got some other foundation, some other foundations in there, such as a little bit of percussion, maybe some atmosphere. That will really help us basically get it'll help us understand how the bass sounds in a real track. Me just sitting here doing a kick and a bass, probably not going to get the full feeling of how the bass will sound. So we're going to put some stuff in, but first of all, what we want to do is just get a kick stack ready. I'm just using ES624 and I'm just using all my kicks. Most of these kicks are going to be available in the new amplified sample pack, which will be released on the amplified music format, the subscription format, in a couple of weeks, or by the time this video is done it might already be out. And yeah, so if you're interested in getting some of the kicks that I use, I'm going to be using some today. But before we want to do the kick, what I've come to learn now is that doing a sub bass first is better. For many years, for probably 9 years, I would find a kick that I like the sound of, and then I would try and get a bass to sit around the kick. Now, looking back in hindsight, that for me is a wrong move, because certain kicks gel better with certain bass lines in different keys. And for me, you've got a lot more room